Yes, good morning all. So today we will discuss the back exercise of the chapter heat. The first question is state similarities and differences between the laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. So similarity between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer is both are made up of glass and consist of narrow long glass tube. Next similarity is at one end both of them has bulb. And third similarity is bulb of both the thermometer consist of mercury. The fourth is Celsius scale is present in both the thermometers. So these are the similarities. Now next we have the differences between clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. The first difference temperature range in clinical thermometer is 35 to 42 and laboratory thermometer the range is -10 to 110. Used to measure the human body temperature, used to measure the temperature in the laboratory. It has kink. Clinical thermometer has kink, but the laboratory thermometer doesn't have any kink. So these are the differences between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Okay. So this is question number 1. Next question number 2. Give 2 example each of the conductor and insulator. So conductor is iron and copper and insulator is plastic and wood. The third question is filling the blanks. The first fill up is the hotness of object is determined by temperature. Who will determine the hotness of any object? Temperature. Second question is temperature of boiling water can be measured by clinical thermometer. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation. A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. Heat is transferred to its other end by the process of conduction. As we know that the heat is transferred by 3 methods: convection, conduction and radiation. So when heat transfer from spoon to our spoon through spoon, then this process is known as conduction. Next we have clothes of dash color absorb more heat, black color or dark color. So this is the answer of fill up 6. So next we have the match the following, the question number 4. So the first is land breeze blow during, land breeze कब blow करती हैं? During the night, and the sea breeze blow during day. Dark color clothes are preferred during dark color winters. Light color preferred during summers. So these are the match. Just watch it. This is question number 4. Next we have the question number 5. Question number 5 is discuss why wearing more layer of clothing during winter keep us warm than wearing just one thick piece of cloth. ठीक है, why we more layer is better than just one thick piece of clothing. ठीक है, so more layer of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing because air gets trapped in between the layering. ठीक है, हम सर्दियों में पहनते हैं ना लेयर्स ऑफ, पहले स्वेटर पहना, देन स्वेट शर्ट पहनी, देन नेक्स्ट कोई जैकेट है. सो वी प्रेफर लेयरिंग बिकॉज in the layering air gets trapped in between the layers. As air is a bad conductor of heat, it does not allow the escape the heat. ठीक है, तो हीट को वो जाने देती हैं, कीप अस वार्म. तो 7th क्वेश्चन इन प्लेस ऑफ हॉट क्लाइमेट इट इज एडवाइज्ड दैट द आउटर वॉल्स ऑफ हाउस बी पेंटेड वाइट. मतलब जो गर्म एरियाज हैं, वाई वी प्रेफर द वाइट कलर? बिकॉज the place of hot climate it is advised that the outer wall of the house be painted white because white color reflect back most of the heat. ठीक है, ये absorb नहीं करता, it will reflect all the radiation. So the substance those reflect all the radiation is cool and the substance which absorb all the radiation is hotter. So the house keep कूल, ठीक है, हमें गर्मी नहीं लगेगी. 6th क्वेश्चन इज लुक एट द फिगर, दिस इज द फिगर, मार्क वेयर द हीट इज बीइंग ट्रांसफर्ड बाय कन्वेक्शन कंडक्शन. So in this picture we have to label where is convection takes place, where is conduction take place and where is radiation. ठीक है, पहले मैं बता देती हूँ. So there are 3 processes are taking place in here. First हमने पढ़ा था, first is convection, conduction and radiation. So I am show you. First I am writing the conduction. Conduction कहाँ पे होती है? In the case of solids. So this container is solid. So conduction takes place here. Next we have the convection. Convection कहाँ होती है? In case of liquid and gases. Here the water is boiling. The hot water become lighter and come upward. The cold water become heavier and downward. So this process is convection. And what about the third process? Radiation. This candle or this lamp is glowing. So यहाँ पे this area is hot. इसको यहाँ भी हाथ रख के देखोगे ना, सो दिस और एरिया बिकम हॉट. सो दिस पार्ट इज रेडिएशन. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द लेबलिंग ऑफ दिस diagram and this is question number 6. Next question is in place of hot climate it is advised that this is we already done. The question number 8, 1 liter of water is 30 degrees Celsius mixed with 1 liter of water at 50. ठीक है, one container has temperature 30 degree and other container has temperature 50. So when we mix them together, ठीक है, एक गिलास में पानी लिया, 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर था, दूसरा we have the 50. If we mix them तो क्या होगा? Tell me the answer. So 80 डिग्री नो, मोर देन 50 नहीं हो सकता, मोर देन 50 तो हो ही नहीं सकता, वो तो ठंडा होगा. सो इट्स टेम्परेचर इज बिटवीन 30 to 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो इट विल बी द आंसर. द टेम्परेचर बिटवीन 30 से ज़्यादा, 50 से कम. ठीक है, देन लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. So question number 9 is in iron ball of 40 degrees Celsius is dipped in a mug contained water of 40 degrees Celsius. We have a iron ball of 40 degrees Celsius. We have to put it in the container. The temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. And what will be the next net temperature? So the answer will be no flow from ball to water. Why? Because the temperature is in equilibrium 40-40. So no heat transfer. As we know that heat transfer from hotter body to colder body. The 10th question is the wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end तो आइसक्रीम में डाला है, ठीक है, एंड हीट डजंट ट्रैवल फ्रॉम कोल्ड टू हॉट. हॉट से कोल्ड में जाती है तो कुछ नहीं होगा. डज नॉट बिकम कोल्ड, कुछ भी नहीं होगा स्पून को. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottom. The reason for this could be, क्या reason हो सकता है? The reason is copper bottom, no. Such pans appear colorful, no. Copper is better conductor of heat than stainless steel. ठीक है, because copper is a metal and stainless steel is a alloy. So alloy से ज़्यादा metal conduct करती है. So answer will be copper is better conductor of heat. So this is all about the back exercise of chapter heat. Okay, thank you.